Hello everyone. I hope you're having a good day and you're staying safe. I'm Sesa Gill, a legal intern at LEXIS and Company, and today I'm going to be talking about the growing menace of casteism in India. So, as we proceed with the topic, let's talk about what is casteism. Casteism is a rural problem, social rural problem, and it's very particular in the Indian society. And India has a lot of religion. India is a country with various religions, and each religion is subdivided into different castes, and these castes are divided into subcastes. The culture of each caste varies through they belong to one though they belong to one different caste. In such a society, there are various possibilities of caste conflicts to occur, and these conflicts have their origin in casteism. Now, which refers to the hatred of one caste by another and the attempt made by one member of the caste to gain personal advantage to determine the interest of the other caste members. In brief, casteism refers to one-side loyalty in favor of a particular caste. Now, according to R. and Sharma, casteism is a blind group loyalty towards one's own caste or subcaste, which does not care about the interest of the other caste and seeks to realize the social, economic, political, and other interests of their own group. Now, I'm going to talk about the various factors that contribute to the growth of casteism. One is the sense of prestige, which is the biggest a sense of caste prestige, and that is the biggest cause of developing casteism. Endogyny, which is also a very big cause because it closes ways to open other systems. As a problem on unemployment, the problem of migration is another cause of developing casteism. Number of trade union based on caste are also rise to this problem. The problem of illiteracy among people is another factor creating this problem. Our society is divided into base of social distinction, and this is also this also develops this problem. Impact of casteism is our next topic. So there I'm going to talk about 5 in general. First is that casteism gives people more importance to their own caste rather than other castes. People have been divided into various categories. Society has been divided into different categories which have broken the backbone of Indian society. In the present time, the problem of reservation also affects the caste system. Various political parties are formed on the basis of caste, and people cast their votes on the basis of caste as well. The concept of single ideology has been trained. These were the impacts of casteism, and now we're going to talk about what are the government initiative in abolishing casteism. The Indian government has enacted laws to remove untouchability and has brought many reforms to improve the quality of life of the weaker sections of the society. Few among them are constitutional guaranteed fundamental rights, the abolition of untouchability in 1950, the Scheduled Class and the Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989, the provision of reservation in places such as educational institutions and employment opportunities, establishing social welfare departments and national commissions for the welfare of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. These measures were adopted by the government, have brought some relief to the weaker castes weaker sections of the society. The urban areas have shown great amount of impact and some improvement. However, people in the rural areas and villages have faced extreme discrimination. We indeed have a long way to go in achieving the objective set to abolish discrimination on the basis of caste and creed. Now it depends. It now depends on our effects and the change in our mindsets to make sure to bring about equality for all. Solution to the problem of casteism: providing value based education to children from childhood can solve the problem of casteism to some extent. The various social agencies such as family, school, mass media must give the responsibility to develop a proper broad outlook amongst children and navigate the feeling of casteism. For example, creating awareness about ill treatment of a particular traditional caste system. Now, literacy programs must be taken into rural areas as the caste feelings, which further could abolish casteism and are more in rural areas. So this feeling of casteism can be minimized by the provisions of social education amongst the rural population. Now, provision of cultural and economic equality among different sections of the society reduce the changes of jealousy and competition. Thus, economic and cultural equality is important in eliminating casteism. Fifth that we're going to talk about solution is encouraging intra caste marriages. The feeling of arising out of casteism can be minimized through marriage of two families of different castes to bring the castes closer to each other. Now, in conclusion, I would like to say it is considered that the member of the lower caste suffer from several social disabilities. They have less opportunities to develop themselves. They have no facilities of education. They feel suppressed. It creates various problems in the Indian society. The clashes amongst people are generally seen in different parts of the country. It disturbs the peace and prosperity of people. So that's all. I hope you were able to understand what are the factors that contribute to the growing of casteism, what are the impacts, and the government initiatives in abolishing casteism, and my personal solutions, what I thought could be the solutions to this. And thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel and have a good day. Thank you.